Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the dual apps or clone apps in your device Vivo V27. So if in this device you want to download a dual app or a second app, or you can say the clone app, I will tell you how you can do it. Before I start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch complete video.